second question is about exhaustion. Can exhaustion happen at a composite HVN? So first let me answer this question is that exhaustion can happen anywhere. It does not have to be at an HVN only. It does not have to be at a visual reference only. What are the visual references? This is a visual reference. Alright. What is a composite HVN? This is a composite HVN. 2-day composite. We have merged the two profiles, created a composite. So it does not have to be a reference only. It can happen anywhere. I'll give you examples of exhaustion. Okay. So if I split this was August 30th. And if you go and you watch my intraday updates, quick updates. So you go on August 31st and you find the August 30th update and you will see I was talking about this being a P shape. Why I'm using this example for exhaustion? Okay. Market opens higher, 2-day composite. Market opens higher, goes higher, and then it stalls. One of the important concept in market profile is trade facilitation. What it means is that if market is trying to go in one direction, it should keep making new highs and it should keep making higher lows. If it is going in lower direction, it should keep making lower lows and lower highs. New lows and lower highs. What is happening here? Do you think that market is making higher highs? No, we just stall, we move sideways. Alright. Now, where is this exhaustion happening? So, if I draw this HVN, you can see we are exhausting right below this HVN. Now, this is a HVN, this is HVN because it is a micro balance. I mean, it's just an intraday small balance. But it is an HVN. The logic is the same. The logic that formed this HVN also formed this HVN. This is on a higher scale. This is on a lower scale, intraday scale. We have another HVN. Now, if I draw a line from here, you can see 9550 and we have come close to that. And we have again seen higher prices not happening after J period. Market moving sideways and balancing. So this is again some sort of exhaustion. Make sense? So exhaustion can happen anywhere. It can happen at composite HVNs. It can happen at visual references. It can happen anywhere in between. And that is what will help you in analyzing the market activity when it is in an all-time high territory. Uncharted territory as we call it. If we are in an area where there is absolutely no way to tell any past references because we are at an all-time high, how do you analyze whether the markets are struggling, markets are doing good, markets are likely to reverse? How are you going to find all that out? Is by monitoring the trade facilitation. Okay, so just for experiment's sake, let's say market opens high, okay, and it goes above this high, strongly move above that, and again goes higher in B period also, and now you are facing a question what to do with this. What should I do? Obviously, we saw this means there is some new business, strength is there, market is likely to continue high. You look at the VWAP, market pulls back in C period, D period, and it bounces off the VWAP, looks like going up. You buy. Then it goes a little bit higher in D and E period and then just bang in stalls and makes no new highs. Now what you know is that the trade facilitation is poor. You are seeing exhaustion, and exhaustion is happening in, let's say, all-time high territory. So that is how you can use intraday trade facilitation to find out whether the strength is there in the markets or no.